Good morning, class 4. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video, we will discuss about chapter 5, that is food and digestion. In the previous lectures, we had discussed question answers, objective type question answer. Today also we will discuss about some question answers. So let's start our discussion about question answer. So first question today is fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. So first question, children need more dash. Children need more dash. We all know that children grow very fast. So their body is growing, new cells and tissues are developing continuously in their body. So they need a bodybuilding food. So which one is bodybuilding food, class? I know you know the answer, that is protein. So children need more and more protein. Now comes the question number 2, that is physical workers need a diet rich in. Physical worker means those who lift heavy weight or they work physically, means they use their body for working a lot. Like we are using, like I am a teacher, you are a student, we are not using our body for a lot of work. We are using our brain for a lot of works. But there are some people who are working very hard, physically hard work. So for that, what type of food they require? So they require two type of food. First, which gives them energy, that is carbohydrate, and the second, that is bodybuilding food, which help in the repair of cells and tissues. So carbohydrate and protein. Now comes the next question, dash stores energy to be used in future. So we all know that our body stores energy for using in future. Next question, undigested food is given out from the dash. So we all know that we discussed about digestive system, that here from mouth our digestive system start and it ends where? At the anus. So anus is the last point of this alimentary canal or the digestive system. So the undigested part removed from which organ? Obviously the answer is anus. Next question, the liver secretes a digestive juice called dash. Liver secretes a digestive juice called dash. The answer is bile. Liver secretes bile. Next question, give reason for the following. Vegetables and fruits should be washed before cutting them. Vegetables and fruits should be washed before cutting them. So answer is, it is because before cutting, if you wash fruits and vegetables, so it will remove the dust and the germs which is on the top, on the upper surface of the fruits and vegetables. So washing is good, remove the germs and dust. But if you wash it after cutting or chopping also, then what will happen? Some vitamins and minerals of that fruit and vegetable will be soluble in water. So this will get soluble in water and removed. So again it will lose. So we have to wash before cutting and chopping. The next question, junk food is not nutritious. So junk food, I know class you know better than me what is a junk food. Pizza, burger, chow mein, these all are what? Junk food. They are very tasty and very easy to cook, convenient to cook, very fashionable. Maggie also, in 10 minutes Maggie will be ready. But the problem is, class, this is not a healthy item. They do not contain nutrients in proper way. So we should not use them, because maybe it is take very less time, convenient, fashionable, tasty also, but it is not healthy. It is not a healthy food because it doesn't contain nutrients in proper way. And if you take a lot of these food items, then what will happen? You will suffer from obesity or other type of diseases. So the next question will be, food is important for all living beings. So we know that why food is important? It is because food gives us energy to work. It helps in growth and development of our body, and it helps in the protection from diseases. So these are the reasons why food is important for all living beings. So class 4, I hope you are able to understand this question answers. If any problem, ask me class, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.